Welcome everybody. A little bonus workout if you're up for it. I just want to boost my mood and feel happy. I just want to get moving. You're welcome to join me. I found this amazing spot that I come to on the weekend mornings, do a little meditation. Well, that's pretty squeaky. Well, we'll see how it turns out. I need to warm up. It's about minus 15 out. Came out, figured, well, let's just do a workout outside because we can. Twist. There's always a time and a place to move our bodies. The idea of this whole channel is that don't limit ourselves to our surroundings and look at everything with fresh eyes and a beginner's mindset. And hey, there's a park bench. I could do a couple push-ups on there. I could do a couple seated squats, a couple dips. Oh, I could stop there and read my book. So many things. I find this abandoned old building. What could I do there? Hey, there's an opportunity for a good little workout. Gonna reach it out. Simple movements just to elevate our mood, increase our energy. Why not? I did a workout this morning before leaving the house. Got me feeling so good. And I just listened to one of my best spiritual teachers, Michael Singer. Look him up. I will be repeating a lot of the things he says for the rest of my life without fail. He is a brilliant, incredible man. Just speaking about universal truths, things that have been around forever that somehow we've lost the plot on. I'm really gonna twist this up. And he was speaking about being happy and that it's absolutely a choice. And why do we have to set, shake, shake, shake. Just follow along with me while I sort of pontificate life here. Because I choose to be happy. And that was his whole point. Why do we set it up so that I can only be happy if this happens or that happens, as opposed to why not enjoying everything in my life? And why aren't we? It's a little slippery here. I'm just trying to stretch out my back, really get a good twist in there. And that every moment can be joyful. Every single thing that we can experience it with joy or pleasure as opposed to pain. We don't get to choose what we learn in this life. The universe, God, source, whatever you want to call it, it's going to throw situations at us. We don't get to choose what those are. But we get to choose how we learn those lessons. Do we learn them with pain or do we learn them with joy? I'm going to see if I can't move a bit here. Just a little shuffle. I love this. This squeakiness may not sound so good there. We'll see. I got to work on this all the time. I find I'm seeing the light more and more, really though, about finding joy in the struggle, in the challenge, not setting preferences, not having preferences the way life is supposed to be. It's supposed to be 20 degrees and sunny every day. I tried that living in Spain, and it was delightful and lovely. A wonderful place. Spain is incredible. Spanish people, all the people in there, amazing. Incredible culture, everything's great. Perfect weather all the time. Was I happier? No. I don't get to choose the weather. That's a great test. Oh yeah, I'm definitely warming up. This is lovely. Weather's a wonderful spiritual test. Every day you get up. It's like, well, it's out of your control. Why would you bother thinking about it for even a second? Oh, this is the weather today? Perfect. I love it. Let's embrace it. Let's go for it. Oh yeah, a little back bend. Beautiful. Break it down to the simplest things, I think, for happiness for me. Every morning I wake up and I start to have a self-deprecating thought. I didn't get enough done yesterday. Why is this thing this way, this that way? Oh, stop. That's just the mind doing what it does. I'm going to be grateful for this breath. I get to breathe today. I get to be alive today. Oh, yes. Redirect where you put your attention. There's always some sliver of light, something good that you can direct your attention on. And I struggle as much as anybody. Well, who knows? I don't know what's in anybody else's head. But I have dark times. I've had dark thoughts for as long as I can remember. Suicidal ideation? Yep. As soon as I have that thought, though, I didn't choose that. Why would I want that? I'm going to direct my attention onto something positive, something I can control. I'm going to move my body. I'm going to take a deep breath. I'm going to find something to be positive about. And that's why I speak about these things, because it's always been difficult for me. I've had to work to be really positive, to find happiness in all of it. And I don't do it all the time, that's for sure. But I'm finding more and more windows. I don't know if anybody wakes up and it's just sunshine and roses in their head every day. It certainly isn't for mine, but I got to do the work. You keep showing up and stay consistent and stay disciplined. Show up, do the work, and things get better. I've definitely noticed that. And when I move my body, oh, that makes a huge difference. I'm going to come down here. A little down dog. Oh, I'm going to drop my microphone. So come into a down dog if you're with me here. I'm going to put my mic back on because things happen. Hands are a little cold. I'm going to have to bury it here. Stay in your down dog, breathe. Totally ignore me. What's this guy doing? Why can't he figure out his technology? Well, who knows? No point in editing. Life happens. This is the most imperfect YouTube channel out there. Coming back in a down dog. And let's just hold it here for a moment. Oh yeah, bend the knees if you like. And let's just be. Think of something that, actually think of something that generally you don't like, a preference, something that doesn't make you happy for a moment. And think about, hold on here, that's me doing it. How can I reframe this so that I do enjoy it, that I do like it, that I get the most out of it? How can I use that as a catalyst for growth and personal transformation? Oh, now we're getting somewhere on this journey. Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh, just be happy to be alive. Oh, I'm gonna come into a push-up, and I'm just gonna rip off a few push-ups. If you'd like to just stay in the plank, do so. Nice and easy. I love the real slow, deliberate, intentional push-up. Touch your nose to the snow if you can. Oh, it's stuck on the end of my nose. That's Start to get a little shaky. Lovely and wonderful. Oh, and come up. Oh, I have to show you something. So I've been trying to do these deep squats and hold them. And one amazing member of our community, she sent me a video about how to help get a little bit more ankle mobility. And it's a squat like this, so toes pointed forward if you can. Just do what you can, do your best. You know, that's always the case, you know that. So you come up on, the heels come up a bit. Helps balance, strength, but it really does increase mobility. So I've been doing this, and it absolutely worked. My steep squat has been far less painful, and I've been able to go a little bit deeper and a little bit longer. Thank you so much to you, Annette, for sending me that video. I love this, supporting each other. I can learn as much from you as hopefully you can learn some things from me. Let's just find a flow here and do what you can. If you're just feeling like you're just moving, maybe you're listening to me, what's this guy yammering on about? I'm gonna stick with it for a bit. Just move your body in some way. But so I've been doing 3 sets of 10 of these several times each day. Just when I get a minute, you know, I'm boiling tea, I have some time. I just read a study too that talked about, you know, doing 10 body squats every 40 minutes, you know, during your 8-hour day can be just as beneficial as going for a long walk. It's amazing, the smallest little bits of movement can have profound effects on our health. So use this. If you just get a break, you're working, just step away from your desk. Do 10 of these, 3 sets, wonderful. And I definitely have noticed it's had a profound effect on my mobility. Oh. Little balance. Hold on to something if you like. Just nice extra weekend workout. I just feel so blessed. That's why I'm gonna hold my prayer posture. To physically be able to move. To be blessed with this body that works. I wanna use it. There'll be a time when I can't, so let's get the most out of it now. Yeah. Other side. Ooh. It's funny how the balance can be different on different days, different sides. No preferences. Oh, I wish my balance was the same. No. Hey, this is great. My balance is weaker on one side. What a wonderful opportunity to learn and grow. Oh, person cut me off in traffic. Wonderful. What a great opportunity to become the best version of myself and reframe it. Hey, what if it was your grandmother? She gets to get out there and drive still. Would you want to be honking and getting mad at her? Or would you have a little bit more grace? Maybe it's somebody else's grandmother. Somebody else is having a bad day. Who knows? Live a life that is so peaceful and content that maybe it makes others that way. It's all we can do. Choose happiness. It really is a choice, no matter what. Oh, my hips. Holy moly. I need to move again. I'm going for a run. Come on, run with me. Let's go for a run. It's really cold outside. We need to warm up. I think since today is January, man, I'm not even sure what day, the 5th. I have a great deal of gratitude of another year of sobriety, of getting up early on a Saturday morning, getting a workout in, getting outside, doing another workout, hopefully building somebody else up. That I didn't have a drink last night. It's been many years, but still, man, it feels good. But if there's something holding you back, reach out to me. I'll support you. I think I can help. But for me, it was the drinking. And man, Saturdays being hungover, not doing these things, ugh, makes me sick. Oh, I just love it now. There's something to be grateful for. Gonna get the legs up. I'm gonna pump it a little bit here. I really need to get the blood flowing. I'll wrap it up for today. Race home for a warm cup of tea. Yeah. Oh, come on. Comment what you're gonna do to be happy today. How you're gonna make a choice no matter what to be happy. We shouldn't have to the world shouldn't have to be a certain way for us to be happy. We should be happy regardless. Our perspective is so unique. We're the only person that's gonna get to see this from our point of view, the lighting this way, everything is so incredibly unique to us. Enjoy every moment no matter what it is. Easier said than done, I know. Let's keep working on it together though. Thank you for being here. Whew. Feeling amazing. God love you. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.